decided to take this course because I really wanted to learn about other nations and how they deal with constitutional issues. So I felt like the best way to do that was to immerse myself in that country's culture and to study their constitution at length. And so the perfect way to do that was to take a South African constitutional law class at Rutgers. It also helped that my friends had taken the trip before and had glowed and raved about how amazing and transformational it was. And so therefore I was like, I knew I needed to apply.
I think what makes South Africa unique is that their constitution is relatively new in comparison to the rest of the world. And so I thought it would be a great experience to, while studying the constitution of South Africa, to see its implementation and how people address both the benefits and the challenges of the constitution.
I'm really interested in comparative politics, and especially when it comes to the law. So I've seen the course as a great opportunity to not only learn about South Africa's constitutional law, however, also be able to explore what the implementation is like in actually coming to South Africa.
Our visits to University of Western Cape and then our tour of Cape Town, I really loved engaging with the law students that are getting their LLB. They were not hesitant to ask questions, to engage, to learn more from us the same way that we're willing to learn from them. So I think that was really nice to exchange.
We got to talk with students that are law students and share ideas and swap ideas that way. But then we also got to speak and hang out with primary school students. So we had the entire gambit of learners in the country, which for me, a former educator, is very cool.
We had the opportunity to see kids, I believe, twice so far on this trip, spend some time with them. And I think that's been my favorite piece, just being able to see the smiles on their face, the embrace, and that cultural exchange has been really important to me.
We met with the Supreme Court, and that has absolutely been my favorite part. I've just learned a lot about the history of South Africa, just this country's strength and resilience against apartheid. I've learned about the legal system, the court system, and how they're operating today. And I feel like it's truly impacted me and has given me a lot of encouragement.
Actually learned that I would like a transformational constitution, much like the South African Constitution. So in my practice outside of law school, I'm going to take ideals such as court and legislators are the custodians of Constitution, use that language when I'm trying to make substantive change back in the United States to ensure that our rights are more protected than they are. Much like they are in the South African Constitution, they're very much codified. I would like to bring back that and help create that in the United States. And even though the country is so young, it's in fact younger than me, so you could see the hope in everyone's eyes. Even from the law students, they said, yes, it's still inequalities here and it exists, but there's still so much to be done that can be done. And I think that hope is something that I haven't really seen that much in my law school practice because I feel very beleaguered. But now this has really re-energized me.
It's been an incredible experience. The people have been amazing. Culture has been extremely kind, and learning about the difference with their constitution and how they implement their rights has also been really eye-opening.
I've gotten so close to classmates, particularly the students at the Camden campus that I've been able to meet in person. And I will add that it's really amazing that we get to come with alumni, because I've also connected with alumni that have been doing really amazing things since graduating Rutgers, and I think that's a huge advantage to the trip as a whole.
I feel like everything that we've done has been phenomenal.
If you have the opportunity to take this trip, I think you should.
I recommend as many people that can sign up and have the opportunity to come to really do so. It's been, again, an amazing experience, and I think everyone should have the opportunity to do it.